Every time you play this recording and you hear my voice speaking to you, you will drift into a deeper and deeper state of sleep.
Deeper.
And you will go into
deeper.
this state faster and faster. Each and every time, deeper and deeper and faster and faster.
Deeper and deeper.
Each time your eyes will quickly close
Faster.
to the comforting sound of my
And
voice.
faster.
And you'll look forward to the most relaxing and peaceful sleep. Within only a few deep breaths after your head rests on the pillow and you want to go to sleep, you will immediately fall asleep
Sleep.
and stay asleep as
Now
long as you need to. Now, sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep.